Welcome to TV Farm! Today we're making a yummy pumpkin cheesecake dip. Come along and see how you make it. First, I'll tell you what we use. Brown sugar. It looks like pumpkin cake mix, Jello, and cream cheese. Let's get cooking. Yay! Now we're gonna put it all in our mixer. And putting this pumpkin into this.
Mom, I'm going over here so Dad can get on my dress that's on.
I think I'm almost done by now. I am done now. Maybe I need that spoon again. Oh. Okay. There's that. Now let's dump in all of this pudding jello. It's supposed to be cheesecake flavored jello, but our store ran out of that, so we're using pudding jello.
We're using coconut
Jello.
jello.
Mom, that's coconut.
I can't get all of that. All of that jello in. Hey, jello, get out. There.
All of the jello. That's all of the jello, Mama.
I know, we needed all of it. Now let's put in all of this cream cheese.
Let's put. For my birthday. No. Some of that for my birthday.
We need to put all of this cream cheese in.
And then we can buy some more in the store. And buy some of that food in the store. And buy some of the food in the store.
This stuff will not get off this. Oh.
We're saving some.
Now it's time for the brown sugar.
Yes. Save some brown sugar for my birthday.
1 tablespoon. Now let's do it. And this is brown sugar. I'm gonna flatten that out.
That's done. Now put it in.
There.
Just 1 scoop. I need to do it 1 scoop.
No, we only need 1 scoop. Can we make extra and put in extra?
Maybe if we like it, we can make more.
Mix it up.
What would be good?
I would say probably a 3.
That's 2. But where's 3?
Okay, maybe 4.
That's 4.
Okay. Go ahead and stop it.
Once you've got it all mixed up, you scoop it out of the bowl and put it in a littler one.
Mom,
And put it
can I
in a distant one. This is hard for me.
Mom, I can do this with my spoon.
My sister's enjoying a nice snack. I'm gonna put some of this pumpkin pie spice in our snack. Now let's put it in. This much.
Keep shaking.
Now I'm gonna put it in the fridge to chill. Our pumpkin dip is done. Now we're going to enjoy it with nilly wafers and apples and do a craft. Cool! Yay! Yay! I can't wait.
So you're going to take your white piece of paper and we're going to glue these strips onto your paper in whatever pattern you would like. So if Belle wanted these colors, she would put them on here like this, and then when it's all done, you'll take your pumpkin and you'll glue it on top.
So is this a mosaic of some kind?
Yeah, it is a mosaic. You can choose whether you want your strips to go vertically, like right there, vertically, or horizontally.
Or both.
Ooh, or both. You can have them in whatever pattern. So while you start your craft, I will dish you up each a little treat.
Dippy.
Hey, Bug.
Hi.
How's your craft turning out?
Ta-da. It's not finished yet.
Oh, it looks so cute. What else are you going to do to it?
Add a few more strips, and then I'm going to cut out the pumpkin and hang, and maybe even hang it on our bedroom door.
Ooh. How was your snack?
Delicious.
It's all gone, so you must have liked it.
This is mine.
Oh, Bear, that's looking so cute.
Thanks.
I like how you did the leaf pattern there. Are you going to add a little bit more?
No. I'm kind of irregular about patterns here, but I don't mind much.
Bear, how was the snack?
Great up.
Boo Boo, have you done any craft yet or just eat? You did a little bit. Did you like your snack?
Yes.
What's your favorite part?
Finished.
Boo Boo, what's your favorite part about the snack?
Making a craft.
You like making a craft.
Yes.
Belly, how are you doing?
Awesome.
Awesome.
All I have to do is glue this, the back of this, and pull these in the right place, and then
Remember to glue these pieces of paper down first, okay?
I'm not gonna glue them.
Excuse me, you're going to want to glue them or else your craft won't turn out, sis.
Oh.
So take a minute and glue them down and make sure there aren't any more white pieces.
Viewers of Fall Food Friday, look at our creations. I made this pumpkin. I made this pumpkin.
I made this pumpkin.
They're all really unique and beautiful. I plan to give this one to my grandma. Me too. I'm gonna give this one to my grandma too.
Thanks for watching.
Have a good day. Have a nice day. Have a good day. And I hope you're all happy. And I'm glad you watched this video. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.